Today, we're exploring an American park. There are absolutely beautiful creatures and bushes and trees and plants all over this place. You guys seen a shot of that? Beauty. Careful, cameraman. Right here we have a natural land pit. You don't want to get caught in one of these now. This beauty! Oh geez, she's got to be at least 200 meters tall. Oh, that is a full-grown American oak right there. Oh boy, she's a beauty. Oh, stop with that, cameraman! Oh, my chilies, right there! That is the black-tip featherbird! Holy motherfucker! Look at this! Oh my god, what a beauty! Are you kidding me right now? Holy fucking tip-off! Oh my god, wipe me off and call me dirty! How do we make the cheat? My mother married, flip me over and lick my balls! Are you kidding me? Oh, I mean, just a beautiful pine tree! Oh my goodness! Oh, fuck me silly and put me in a bath! Are you kidding me? That right there! Oh my god, are you getting this, cameraman? Feel the years that have gone into building this absolute behemoth of a beauty. Boy, I just like to sit and admire these. Good god, absolutely perfect, no blemishes. That's gonna make a forest very happy one day. Oh, we're finding some good stuff. We found some absolute beauties today.